that real GT500? Nope. Love that rear bumper. Epic. Aventador S. Let's go. And it matches the GT3. Wait, is that alt? No, it's not, right? Yeah. I love Aventadors. Loudest R1 in Japan. And a 914. Fake. Bad boy spec. I think that's the same, right? 575, I think. Yeah, that's pretty cool, Miami blue, yeah. Damn, nice color. 488. Nope. 720S Spider. Okay, I'm just eating apples here, but I just saw a crazy 812 GTS spec. Yes. Damn, that's a crazy spec. Apple Yummy N296. Okay, not bad. Beep, beep. GT4. Zoom. What is that? What is that? A Fiat or something? What is that?
Definitely, if you see one here, obviously.
Euro Squad. Damn, that's actually a really sick squad of BMWs. What do we see? It's a GTR. I think it's a GTR badge on the Hawk. I've seen a lot of those recently. Yeah.
Cool.
Oh, look. 458.
Oh, he's a camera on this mirror.
Yeah, he does. Very Japanese, but there's no sound. It's like he switched it to the SF90 power plant. Am I right? Looks like they really want to sell Arturas here, judging by this lighting on us. What do we got here at Lamborghini Azabu? We have a Storado in white, okay. Pink Ultimate Roadster, wow. Crazy spec. Whoa, it's like metallic sparkly. See, it's like this is sparkling, that thing? Yeah, that's pretty crazy indeed. What is this? What is it? Technica, okay. Technica looks like a 60th anniversary edition. And we don't care about that. Epic. Dude, this is an Osaka, dude. Clean. Damn. Gale speed wheels. Brembo, fully polished. Dang. This is insane. Damn. Sick. Okay, so I just walk away and they duplicated. Ooh. 33,000. Nice. Oh yeah. Whoa. Oh, there. Okay, there's like a SVJ and what's in? 2 SVJs. Oh no, 3 SVJs. One of yeah, that's cool. Okay. Oh yeah, F12. Yeah, I just bumped into like the craziest group of supercars here. Multiple F12s and Largo kit, Navatech and Largo. 1 SVJ, 2 SVJs, Performante or maybe a Performante kit, Diablo, the one of the Japan edition Aventadors right here. I think that's like the wind one. There's like only 5, only for Japan. Aventura S, STO. Kind of, I've never seen purple and blue too. That's pretty epic. Yeah, nice lineup. Sick. right? I think so. Time for a drive. This thing is super loud. Super packed today. Oh, that one is crazy. Anisha. Oh, nice. That's an Exotic one. Another SVJ with gold wheels. My yucky cappuccino. This is it for the Lambos. Oh, we got a little touch. Oh yeah. Oh, this guy's wildin'. What's going on? What's going on? Uh-oh. I think this guy might be wrecked in this Altezza. He just did a burnout. That one is crazy. They're like having a rev off with the police siren. That's hilarious. Yeah, Lambo scene is crazy in Japan, that's for sure. There goes a pista. Took a while to catch up.